Hi guys! For today's video, ang gagawin naman natin is we are going to create our own GCash account. So, if isa ka doon sa mga tao na wala pang GCash account, na katulad ko, kagaya ko, this is the sign guys. Ito din yung sign guys na gumawa na rin kayo ng GCash account ninyo. And it's gonna be my first time to create my GCash account. And also, yung aim natin is hindi lang yung just to create our GCash account, but also ma-fully verified. So, we wanted na mas safe and secure yung GCash natin. Okay? So, this is gonna be a step-by-step. And, of course, reason natin na ma-fully verified talaga yung GCash account natin, it's because i-maximize natin yung services ni GCash.
And if bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please consider subscribing po. Libre lang po mag-subscribe. Thank you. And let's go to Play Store na guys. And then type lang natin yung GCash account or GCash na word sa search bar. Make sure natin na updated siya.
Managing your money should
next
be
is
easy.
i-install natin. And then, ayan, confirm lang. And then, next is yung skip naman. Yung i-click natin or i-tap natin. Okay, so ayan, installing na siya guys. So, i-cut na lang natin dito para mas madali. So, ayan, 90% na siya. So, ayan, wait lang tayo na ma-fully, ma-100% siya. Tapos, i-click nyo yung enable dito. Tapos, guys, click nyo yung open. Alright, so make sure nyo lang guys na make sure nyo lang na tama yung ibibigay natin na information, okay? Ayan, so request permission, okay then guys. So remind ko lang kayo maghanda ng ID na din. So ayan, only this time or while using the app, depende yan sa inyo kung ano yung pipiliin nyo guys. Alright, so allow lang natin, allow GCash to access yung photos, medias sa device natin. And next is yung number naman natin ilagay. So, hide ko lang yung number ko guys, baka mag-send kayo ng GCash sharings. So, ayan. Alright, so send code. So, bali parang pin code or authentication nito. Magsisend to. And, ayan. Yeah, ma-receive tayo na text message. Alright. So, 12:18 guys, take note, 12:18. And less than 10 minutes guys, I'm telling you, fully verified. Magiging fully verified yung account natin. So, basta sundan nyo lang yung step-by-step na tutorial natin. So, make sure talaga na i-provide nyo yung tamang information ninyo. Like, just basic information. Your first name, middle name, kung may middle name kayo. Tapos, last name. And then, yung birth date din. Nationality. Ilagay nyo din. Ayan. So, follow nyo lang. So, make sure guys, tama yung information or match yung information na ibibigay ninyo sa ID. Okay? Para hindi tayo, hindi magkakaproblema sa verification process. Alright? Tapos, yung sa address naman, if same lang yung permanent address niyo sa current address niyo, i-click nyo lang or i-tap nyo lang yung same na i-tick or i-tap nyo yung box na nandyan. Pero if hindi naman, type nyo na lang. Alright, so review your information. So, dapat make sure tama lahat. Alright, confirm natin. So, dito naman, just 4 numbers lang guys. Just, wag nyo lang iligay yung birth date ninyo para, dapat unique. Ayan, congratulations na! We've successfully created your GCash account. Ayan, so let's try to log in, guys. Ayan, may authentication ulit. So, try lang natin mag-login. Ayan. Alright, guys. So, ayan. So, as you can see, zero balance pa tayo, guys. Kasi of course, bago yung account natin. So, para to check naman, guys, sa profile, i-click nyo yung nasa bottom part or nasa pinakababa sa right side para ma-fully verified yung account natin. Okay? So, click nyo yung profile. Ayan, as you can see, alright, so hindi pa tayo full verified dyan. I-click nyo lang yan. Alright, so yan guys, do more enjoy safer transaction when you are verified. So this is what I'm telling you, mas safe and secure yung account natin is if fully verified tayo. So ayan, maghanda ng valid ID. Dapat selfie ready ka din. Okay. So dapat nandyan sa inyo yung ID ninyo. Alright, next. So, siguraduhin tama ang personal information. So, guys, again, I'm telling you, follow nyo lang yung instruction na to para ma-fully verified din kayo katulad ko, okay? Less than 10 minutes lang. Alright? And then, ayan. Next is tell us about yourself, yung birth date ninyo, and are you Filipino, ganun. So, of course, Filipino tayo. Tap nyo lang yung yes dyan. So, dapat talaga match yung information na ibibigay ninyo and doon sa ID na i-provide ninyo. Okay? Alright, so next lang. Tapos, iyan, tell us about yourself ulit. So, yan yung mga IDs and if wala doon, you can check yung other IDs. And yung pinili ko dito is yung UMID. Alright, so next is upload a real ID, not a photocopy. So, dapat yung real ID, guys, bawal yung photocopy, okay? And then, dapat readable din siya. And, once na magka-capture tayo, guys, dapat inside dun sa parang rectangle na box. Dapat inside the capture area daw. So, make sure na nandun siya sa parang rectangle na box. Yung, diba, yung usually yung ID natin is naka-rectangle, especially yung mga government IDs, right? Naka-rectangle siya. So, make sure na nasa loob kasi para ma-detect agad ni system yung ID natin and hindi malabo. Alright? Para mas mabilis yung natin, yung verification process natin. Okay, so yan, yung rectangle na parang box. So next naman, guys, is wear proper attire and your selfie ready dapat. So remove your cap mask and yung face mask if meron ka man ngayon, please remove kasi sobrang bilis lang neto. Ayan, scanning na. Then please blink your eyes. Ganon. So kumurap ka daw. So ayan, guys. And then, your information should match your ID. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, guys. So, dapat make sure talaga na tama yung pinrovide ninyo, match dun sa ID ninyo para hindi tayo madali or hindi tayo magka-problema sa verification process. Alright? So, yung fill information, same lang yung information lahat. Yung binigay mo kanina, i-provide mo lang ulit yon. Ayan. So, yung employment type, kung empleyado ka man, ikaw nang bahala dyan, guys, kung ano yung naaayon or naaangkop or alam mo yon. Okay, so ayan, nagka-error tayo, guys. Okay, go back lang. Ayan, so try natin na ito. So, staff yung inilagay ko kasi hindi naman tayo, guys, wala tayong kumpanya, ganun. And then, so, salutation naman, guys, ikaw na rin ang maglagay kung anong naaayon sa iyo, kung Mr. ka man, Miss, or Mrs. Diba? Ayan. So, review natin yung information natin. And please remind ko lang guys, dapat tama lahat, okay? Ayan, so below 50 lang yung nilagay ko, hindi tayo, hindi above 50, charis. Well, soon, saan na, 'di ba? Ayan, so verifying your account na yung nakalagay guys, yung nakikita natin, we're verifying your account. And as you can see, it says, please expect an SMS within 24 hours on the status of your verification. Para sa akin, ito maximum lang to guys. Kasi, di ba nga, less than 10 minutes lang guys. Basta, I'm telling you, if ginawa nyo lang yung tutorial natin, sobrang dali lang talaga. And, ayan guys, as you can see, di ba? Congratulations na. Alright guys, so tingnan natin yung GCash natin kung fully verified na ba yung nakalagay. Alright, so login muna tayo. Ayan. So, 'di ba? Less than 10 minutes lang. Fully verified na tayo. Ayan. Tada! Diba? Ang saya guys. Fully verified na tayo. So guys, if sa tingin nyo nakatulong itong video na to, please comment, like, and share na din sa mga friends, relatives, loved ones ninyo, ganon. You can actually share it, and please don't forget to subscribe po. Libre lang po mag-subscribe. Okay? So, I guess that's all. Bye for now.